Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto channel. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to send your USDT from BITGET to Binance. So first of all, log into your BITGET account. Then you need to open your spot account, hover this wallet icon on the top right corner and go to the spot account page. Once you will go on this page, you need to find USDT. Here's the search bar, you can use the search bar. And once you will find USDT, then you need to click withdrawal, and now you need to select the network. I suggest you to use Binance Smart Chain BIP20 network, which has got the lowest fees. You can see it has got fixed fees, 0.29 USDT, guys. So I will use this network, and now I need to paste the withdrawal address from Binance. Now let's go to the Binance. First of all, we need to go to the spot account page right here. And we need to find USDT in the list, guys. So here is USDT. We need to hover these three dots on the right side of the USDT. And let's go to the deposit page. Now we need to select the network. So we are using BNB Smart Chain BIP20 network. And we need to copy this wallet address. So let's paste the wallet address right here and let's click the next button. So let's choose the amount of USDT we're going to transfer, for example, 22 USDT. And as you can see, there is fixed fee 0.29 USDT, and I will receive 21.71 USDT on my Binance account. So if everything is correct, you need to click the withdraw button right here. You need to confirm your withdrawal, click agree button, and now you need to enter your fund code. Then you need to enter your verification code, which is sent on your mobile phone and on your Gmail. Alright guys, I entered all of the codes and now I need to click the confirm button. Alright, we sent 21.71 USDT to this wallet address, which is my Binance wallet address. And now I need to refresh my spot account page on Binance. In a few minutes, I will receive my USDT, guys. So let's check the balance. I will refresh in a few minutes and I will show you that I received my USDT on Binance. As you can see, guys, in just few minutes I received my money, which was 21.71 USDT. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video tutorial. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next update.